Yeah, see you, loser.
We got like 2 more stops, and then that's it. We'll know. Good morning, you beautiful souls. We are doing a scavenger hunt?
Something like that. Yeah.
We lost! We fucking super lost, man!
The opposing team is Will, Yana, and on my team we got Men and Jessica. I am the one! I'm gonna let Men describe the challenges really quick.
So today we got 4 deadly challenges of vlog takeover. So you have to go up to a random person and have them take over your vlog for 10 seconds. The second challenge is doing a TikTok with any random person. Third challenge, since it's Sunday, is to go to Ghirardelli Square and get someone random to buy another random person a sundae. Final challenge is to go in the middle of the ferry building and sing happy birthday to yourself. The first team to go back to the finish line is the winner.
And if you don't make it, you're gonna have to run naked. All right, let's get it.
See you, nerds.
You're gonna lose.
Yeah, we're doing like a challenge with other teams, and one of the challenges is to ask someone to take over the vlog.
Right.
All right, I'll do it. Sure. How about I'll let you hold the camera and I'll just look like I'm holding the camera. Okay. Hi, my name is Jackie and I'm from Brooklyn, New York. And I'm all the way over here in San Francisco because, you know, I just wanted to road trip with one of my friends, but she's a little camera shy. So we're just gonna come over here, and we came to the what is this called? The Palace of Performing Arts.
Fine arts.
Fine arts, thank you. Oh my goodness, see, I've got like help off camera. And I don't know, I haven't been inside yet, but we're gonna go inside a little bit later, and it's gonna be a good time.
Meanwhile.
So, isn't this a good sign? Look at that, the car's still here, bro.
Oh yes, they're gonna lose for sure. First challenge done. On to the next. On to the next one. Bye, losers!
Alright, no stopping. Are we risking it?
Alright, we're gonna get it. We're gonna have to get it.
We're gonna have to get it.
Eventually.
Hey man, so I've been trying to find someone to buy someone else ice cream all day. I've been a little disappointed because no one wants to do an act of kindness. Would you be willing to buy her some ice cream?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Yeah.
Excuse me, miss. Would you like some free ice cream?
Sure.
Yeah.
Pick you up where you feel you're about to drown. Just take this chance and fly.
One of the challenges is to do a TikTok with a complete stranger.
Da 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 da. Not gonna demonetize me. Na 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 na. Alright, that's 3 challenges down, so they're gonna get crushed. Done. Watch, we're gonna get back to the car's gonna be towed away, so we're gonna lose. You know, even despite this whole like COVID thing, everyone's been super friendly and open to like shooting a video. Usually people are really cold. I think maybe COVID has something to do with it. People are becoming more friendly.
Dude, we're having insane luck with
the parking. Alright, we gotta be quick though, because we gotta go all the way over there. Come on. Wait.
I heard if you press it more times, it goes faster.
Yes, this is true.
Ferry building?
Ferry building, happy birthday.
This is a lonely birthday, my man.
I'm Soul, and this is happy birthday to myself. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Soul. Happy birthday to me.
We can do this.
What's the car not start? Oh fuck!
You can make Yui here.
I think we can do like a Yui. They're gonna take that L. We should have made the whole team run in underwear.
You think we made it back in time?
I don't know, but we got like 2 more stops and then that's it. We'll know.
Wait,
fuck.
we just saw
the car is there. He's vlogging it. Oh no! No! They got the L's going.
What's up, nerds? What are you doing?
Did we finish it?
Of course we finished it! No, we've been here for like 10 or 15 minutes.
What the fuck? You don't want to show them these. These will get demonetized. Dude, 40.
If you want to...
I have to wear a face mask,
okay.
right?
This car's not going...
Alright guys. Fortunately I lost, so deal's a deal.
Are you single?
Yeah, you want my number?
You can't do this alone! We have lot of cars and we decided instead to just go shoot ourselves in our underwear. YouTube's going great.